Yes. The next question is, it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner CSA of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is given to you at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find inner CSA and radius of the base and capacity of the vessel. This thing you have to find out. First of all, what is given in the question? Always first you see what information is given. That information you write one side. Okay, see here. It means cost is given to you rupees 2200 to paint inner CSA of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. 10 meter deep, it means height is given to you, depth is given to you. It means h is equal to 10 meter. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, rate is given to you rupees 20 per meter square. Rate is rupees 20 per meter square. Okay. What you have to find? Inner CSA. Inner CSA question mark. Radius question mark. Capacity question. Like this. Then from where we have to start? Just we see. You have given cost, no? And you have to find how much CSA will be. CSA will be what? How much, whatever amount paid, cost upon rate per meter square. Per meter square. What is the cost? 2200. What is rate? 20. 0 to 0 cut. You will get 110 meter square. This is the answer number 1. Second part. What is given? Now you got it, CSA 110. What you have to find in second? Radius. CSA is given to you 110, no? You can apply the formula of CSA and CSA of cylinder. Cylinder is there. What is the formula of CSA of cylinder? CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Right now. CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. CSA is given to you 110. 2 value of pi is 22 upon 7. R you have to find, and h is given to you 10. H is given to you 10. Okay. Then you find out R. So send 7 there. 110 into 7. And let down what will come? 2 into 22 into 10. 2 into 22 into 10. Now you can simplify. Okay, 0 to 0 cut. 11 1 the 11, 11 2 the 22. This is coming 7 upon 4 meter. This is R. Okay, for answer I can write, if you divide it, you will get 1.75 meter. This is equal to R. Now what is the third point? Third point is capacity of the vessel. Capacity of the vessel, how can we get it? Or capacity means, first of all we have to find out volume of it. And what is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. What is value of pi? 22 upon 7. R square is there. R was 7 upon 4. I am taking 7 upon 4, not taking that, and into hat. H is 10. Cut this. And this is 2, and here 11. This is 11, 7 just one more you can cut. This is 5. Okay, 11 into 35 upon 4. How can you multiply 35 into 11, beta? What I have explained you earlier. What is multiply by 11 by any number by Vedic method? Okay, 11 into 35. How can you multiply? Write 3 as it is, 5 as it is. Okay, this is 8. This you will get. By Vedic method, each and every question I am trying to multiply and using the Vedic method, you also use it. You can write one side, okay, and try again and again. This is 385 385 upon 4. Okay, try to divide it. 4 nines are 36. 2, 4, 6 are 24. 4 2s are 8, and then 4 5. This is meter cube, and we know that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. It means we can say 1 meter cube equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay, then what will be here? 96.25 kiloliter, and this is your answer. Yes, the next question is, the capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. Okay, one closed cylindrical vessel is there. Its height is given to you 1 meter, and what is the capacity? 15.4 liter it is given to you. You can convert this capacity into volume easily. Okay. How many square meters of metal sheet? How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? It means we have to find TS. Okay. Now come on. What is given? Earlier I told you in previous question. In this exercise, in this chapter, you have to see what things are given to you. You write right hand side. This is my right hand side. Okay. The capacity height is given to you 1 meter. Because all things are here, I am converting this meter into centimeter here. Capacity is also given to you 15.4 liter. I am converting because 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. If I multiply, then 15.4 into 1000, remove this 10 is there, 0 to 0 cut. 145,400. This centimeter cube is the volume. Now we know that. What is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Right here. Volume of cylinder. This is pi r square h. Pi is what? 22 upon 7. R is what? R is, you have to find. R square. H is what? H. Height is 100. And volume is given to you. Volume is given to you here. 15400. Okay. Then send there 15400. Cross multiply 7 this side. And 22 into 100 this will be downside. Okay. Then you cut 0 to 0. This 2 zeros to 2 zeros you can cut. Then 22 1s are 22 and 22 7s are this. So 49 is here and here is r square. So what will be r? Under root 49 and 7 centimeter r is here. So you got it here, r is 7 centimeter. Okay. After that what we have to? Yes. Then TSC of cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Okay. R and h, all things are given us. This is TSC of cylinder 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. 2 as it is, pi value is 22 upon 7. R is 7, we got it earlier. R is equal to 7 centimeter. R plus h is what? 100 centimeter. You can cut 7 to 7. This is 44 into 107. See, without rough work we can solve each and everything. How can we multiply? I told you, only you have to remember how to multiply any number by 11. Sir, here is 44 and you are telling by 11. See, I am converting it. See, can I write 4 into 11 into 107? You multiply this 11 into, this is 7 4s are 28 and this is 4. Now easily you can multiply. Okay, I am explaining here 428 into 11. What is the rule? Take 4 and 8 like this. What will come? 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 4 plus 2 6. So what is 4708? 4708 centimeter square. Okay, but you have to convert and give answer in square meters. So 4708 Centimeter square means what? Centimeter into centimeter. And you have to convert in meter into meter. So what to write? In 1 centimeter, 1 upon 100 meters. Okay, so divide by 100, divide by 100, and you can write your meter square. So this will be 0.4708 meter square sheet required, and this is your. Next question is, a lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. This is one pencil, no? Graphite is filled in that pencil. Okay. The diameter of the pencil is given to you 7 millimeter. Diameter is given to you 7 millimeter. Okay. And the diameter of graphite is given to you 1 millimeter. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of wood and volume of graphite. Two things you have to find out. Volume of wood, this black shaded part, and volume of graphite, this blue shaded part. First of all, we are trying to get what? Volume of graphite. Because volume of graphite is also just like a cylinder. Okay. Its diameter is given to you 1 millimeter, then radius will be what? 1 upon 2 millimeter. And convert in 1 millimeter, 1 upon 10 centimeters are there. So you can convert 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 10. This will be 1 upon 20 centimeter. Whatever is given, like diameter of pencil is given to you. Okay. Radius you can get it. Similarly, diameter of graphite is given to you. Similarly, you can easily get. Height is given to you directly in the figure. You have to find volume of wood and volume of cylinder. This is the main basic thing of this question. Come on, volume of graphite. That is in cylindrical shape. Clearly you can see it is in cylindrical shape. So this is pi r square h. Radius of graphite is r, small r. Okay, so 22 upon 7. 1 upon 20 into 1 upon 20, and what is h? Is 14. H is given 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. Okay, one more. This and this is here 11. It is coming 11 upon 100. So you can write 0.11. Volume is there, then centimeter cube. This is the answer of this first part. In second part, you have to find out volume of wood. How can you get it volume of wood? See here. Outer volume of cylinder minus inner volume of cylinder. If you remove this graphite part, you can get easily wooden part of the pencil. Okay, come on. Volume of wood will be outer volume of cylinder minus inner volume of cylinder. What is outer volume of cylinder? Pi capital R square h. Okay. And this is what? Pi small r square h. Then pi and h common. What will be? R square minus small r square. Put value 22 upon 7. What is h? H is your 14 centimeter. 14. This r square is there, capital R square. 7 upon 20 square. 7 upon 20 square. And what is small r? 1 upon 20 square. Okay, now come on for solving. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is. This is 44 will come. And here 49 upon 400 minus 1 upon 400. Okay, so what will be, if you sub this solid 44 into, take 400 LCM, 49 minus 1. So what will come? 44 into 48 upon 400. Okay, you can cut 100 and here is 11. Okay, and how can we multiply this 11 into 48? Okay, 11 into 48 I am multiplying here, 11 into 48. By Vedic method, by Vedic method. Take 4 and 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. This is 528 will come. 528 I can write here. 528 upon 100, and this will be 5.28. What is volume of wool? Centimeter cube, and this is your answer. Question is, a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. Diameter is given to you 7 centimeter. Then what will be the radius? Radius will be 7 upon 2 centimeters. It is very clear. If the bowl is filled with soup of a height of 4 centimeter, height is given 4 centimeter, you can write h is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. How much soup of the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? If hospital has to serve soup for 250 patients, then how much soup they have to prepare, that you have to find out. Okay, first of all you can find the volume of one cylindrical bowl. Okay, how much soup can be filled in that cylindrical bowl? R is given, H is given, you have to find capacity then after. Okay, so what is the volume of cylinder? That is pi R square H. Pi is 22 upon 7, R is your 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2, and H is your 4. You can cut 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7, 2, this is 11, and this is here this. So what is 11 into 14? Again same thing by Vedic method. This is 1, this is 4, 4 plus 1 5. 5, what is unit? Centimeter cube. Okay, now we have 250 patients. Each patient will get this volume of cube with this volume of soup in the particular bowl, cylindrical bowl. Okay, there are 250 patients, so 250 into 154. You have to multiply it and then convert in, because this is in centimeter cube, and you have to find capacity, so divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. 0 to 0 cut, 25 on the 25, 25 4s are. Okay, then we can cut, then cut by 2, 2 7 are 14, 2 7 are 14, again 2 7 are 14, then what will come? 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16.5 liters.